औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to make your sprite jump. Okay, it's very easy. First of all, let's explore its different component. This is called sprite. I'm using the language Scratch 1.4. Okay, here is your stage area background. When you click here, you are able to change the background. Okay, and here is your sprite. Sprite is an object that you can move on this stage. Okay, and then there is what it's a start. When you click on green flag, it will start moving the running the script, and it will stop all the execution of your statements, instruction, or the script. Okay, then here in the new sprites, you can even paint your sprite. You can even take the sprite from different folders, and whenever you click on the question mark, you will get a surprise sprite. Let me click here. Can you see over here? This is called surprise sprite. Okay, then what else? This is called what? This option is used for duplicating your sprite. When you click on it and just drop it on your sprite, just drop it over here, you will get the copy of your sprite very easily. And then here is what? It's a delete button. Click on it and you can delete your sprite easily. Another way, this one. Okay, you can even drag and drop over here. Just click here and click here in the sprite. You can create this duplicate copy. The same way, when you drag and drop over here, you can create it's another duplicate copy. Easy. Okay, now how to use shrink, how to make your sprite smaller or bigger. It's over here. Just click on it, grow sprite, make your sprite bigger, just like that. Keep clicking on it, sprite. The another thing is, when you click on shrink, you are able to shrink your sprite, make it smaller, just like that. Okay, now let's move towards the script area. It is script area is the area where you can write your code, and these are different blocks. With the help of Scratch, you are basically learning programming skills, and this is for all the levels, starting from, you can say, you can take start from class 3 onward, 3 till class 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can use this for learning programming basics. You can learn how to create a program and how to find bugs in your program. Okay, so first objective is how to make your sprite jump. Let's try this. Okay, can you see here, whenever I move this sprite over here, its x-axis and y-axis also started changing. Look here, it start changing. It means that this is the x and y coordinates over here, x-axis and y-axis. Whenever I move my sprite, it will change their position, and it will tell you the coordinates of your sprite. Okay, so let's make our sprite jump. These are different controls over here, and these are the blocks. With the help of blocks, you are able to write your script here. So first of all, I'm going to select a sprite over here, this one, this sprite selected. Now I want to make this sprite jump. So whenever sprite 1 clicked, whenever sprite 1 is clicked, whenever I will click this sprite, it will start jumping. Okay, then click on motion block. In motion block, we need to select what? We need to change y-axis. Okay, so we change y by 10. Let's try change y by 10. Double click here and just write, let's say I'm going to write here 60. Click on it. Yes, this one is sprite 1, this one. Click here. It's jumping now. It's moving up, but it's not coming down. So let me add one more block over here, which is what, change y by -60. First first time it will go up, plus 60, y-axis upward, and then it will come back in the next instruction, -60 downward. Okay, let me run the script. It's doing very quickly, that's why it's not appearing over here. So we need to put what, a wait block over here. Now let me try. Look here, now it's jumping. Using this code you can do what, you can add jumping code just like that. Okay, now let me change this seconds to 0.25. Now let's see the difference. Okay, whenever I click on it, it will change, it will start jumping. Look there, upward, down, upward, down. Good. Okay ji, now let me paste this code over here. So just drag and drop this code over here, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now whenever I click here, it will start jumping. Look here, good now. Okay, that's how you can make your sprite jump. Okay, thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel, and in next tutorial we will learn different skills. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.